Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Harley-Davidson Streak Line. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 59,296 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a new front wheel bearing and new front and rear tires. It will also need new rear brake pads and baffles in the exhaust to make the muffler DOT decibel compliant. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 230 seconds, and the rear at 132nd. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that there are no keys for the saddlebags. It is missing a front heat shield clamp, and the LED directionals cause a dash code. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the rear fender, paint chips on the saddlebag, and paint wear on the upper fairing. This bike has 2 keys and 1 fob. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a primary cover, 16-inch handlebars, grips, braided lines and cables, chrome reservoir covers, aftermarket windshield, windshield trim, windshield pouches, a Bluetooth radio, an ignition switch, smoke front turn signals, LED rear turn signals, an aftermarket exhaust, extended saddlebags, saddlebag lid speakers, rider and passenger floorboards, foot control pegs, axle caps, an aftermarket Stage 1 intake, shift linkage, plate bracket, docking hardware, and custom paint. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.